Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy on Uniswap, a popular decentralized cryptocurrency exchange. To get started, you will need a digital wallet that supports Ethereum, such as MetaMask. First, install the MetaMask extension on your browser and create a new wallet. Fund your wallet with Ethereum, which is the native cryptocurrency of the platform. Once you have Ethereum in your wallet, navigate to the Uniswap website and click on the Launch App button. Connect your wallet to Uniswap by selecting your wallet provider from the list of options. After connecting your wallet, you will see the Uniswap interface, which includes a section to select the token you want to buy and the token you want to use to pay. To buy a token, select the token you want to purchase in the Select a Token field. If the token is not listed, you can paste the token contract address into the field. Then, select the token you want to use to pay for the purchase in the From field. Enter the amount of the token you want to spend in the From field. Uniswap will automatically calculate the amount of the token you will receive based on the current market price. Review the transaction details, including the amount you will receive, the price, and the gas fee. If everything looks correct, click the Swap button to confirm the transaction. Your wallet will then prompt you to confirm the transaction. Review the transaction details again and click Confirm to complete the transaction. The transaction will then be processed on the Ethereum blockchain and the token will be added to your wallet. It is essential to note that Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, which means that you are trading directly with a liquidity pool. This can result in price fluctuations and gas fees. To minimize these risks, make sure to set a reasonable slippage tolerance in gas price. Additionally, be aware of the liquidity of the token you are buying, as low liquidity can result in higher price volatility. In conclusion, buying on Uniswap is a straightforward process that requires a digital wallet, Ethereum, and a basic understanding of the platform. By following these steps and being mindful of the risks, you can successfully buy tokens on Uniswap. Remember to always prioritize security and do your own research before making any investment decisions.